Hi friends, I am Arun K. You are most welcome to our channel Technical Concept. So our today's topic is working principle of gear pump. So in this video we will see in detail regarding how gear pump work and what are its components and what are its benefits and advantages. So let's start our video without wasting the time. So if you have not subscribed my channel till now, then please subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start our topic without wasting the time. So first of all, we will see what is gear pump. This gear pump is a positive displacement type of pump. A positive displacement is nothing but a pump which discharges a fixed volume of liquid in every second or every minute. Whereas non-positive displacement type of pump, it does not discharge equal volume of liquid in every second or in every minute when there is a change in pressure in discharge side. In non-positive displacement pump, if there is high pressure or obstruction in the discharge side, then pump slip occurs and there will be change in the discharge due to high pressure in the discharge side. But in positive displacement type of pump, there is no variation in discharge in any condition if there is only obstruction in discharge side of the pump. Okay, so this is the major difference between positive displacement type of pump or non-positive displacement type of pump. So this our gear pump is a positive displacement pump. That means there is no change in flow if any obstruction or high pressure generated in the discharge line of the pump. Okay, and now we'll see its construction, some its parts and its working principle. So this construction is very simple. You can see this is the casing of the pump. Okay, this is the casing and these are gears. This is gear, this is gear. These gears are mounted on the shaft. This is first shaft, this is second shaft. This is suction side and this is discharge side. Suction side is low pressure side, discharge side is a high pressure side. Okay, out of these two gears, one power is supplied to one shaft, that is motor is connected to one shaft and one shaft is idle, that means one gear is idle. Okay, now we'll see how it is working principle. So its working principle is also very simple. When we supply water or any liquid through this suction side, then what happens, this liquid gets trapped between these two teeth and casing. Due to trapping of liquid between these two teeth and casing, there is a seal formed between oil, that means liquid seal is formed between this casing and gear teeth. That suction liquid that we are supplying, that we are pumping, that pumping liquid only forms the seal between this casing and teeth. And due to formation of seal between casing and teeth, what happens, there is a generation of vacuum in the suction side. And due to generation of vacuums, what happens, this suction liquid comes inside this pump. Okay, when this liquid comes inside this pump, then this trapped between these two teeth and casing and transferred in the discharge side by this way. Along with this teeth, this liquid get transferred from suction side to discharge side by this way. Okay, similarly in this way, this also. Okay, and finally we are getting high pressure liquid in the discharge line. There is no transfer of direct liquid from the suction side to discharge side by this way, because there is obstruction here. This matching gear, interlocking gears does not allow liquid directly to transfer from suction side to discharge side. Okay, so liquid transfer only by interlocking between this teeth and in casing. Okay, now we see the benefits, types of gear pump. It has two types, external gear pump and internal gear pump. So by the name it suggests, in external gear pump we are using external gears. Okay, you can see here, this is external gear pump. We are using external gears for pumping the liquid. That's why this is called as external gear pump. And internal gear pump we are using internal gears. You can see here, this is internal gear. So in internal, due to internal gear, interlocking of liquid takes place between these teeth and we are transferring the liquid and finally we are getting high pressure liquid in the discharge side. Okay, in internal gear pump we are getting more vacuum at the suction side as compared to external gear pump. Okay, now we will see some of its benefits and features. Gear pumps are compact and simple with a limited number of moving parts. That means it is simple in construction and it has very low maintenance because it has very less moving parts and is very simple in construction. And it is mostly suitable for generating high pressure up to 3000 psi. It has very that gear pump are not suitable for generating high discharge. They are suitable for generating high pressure. Okay. Now suitable for pumping oils and other high viscosity liquids, because viscosity if we have high viscosity liquid, then it is very simple, very easy to pump through gear pump, because this high viscosity liquids forms a proper seal between casing and teeth. Okay, and can run in both directions. Single pump can be used for loading and unloading purpose. Means by using a single pump only we can uh, load the tank and unload the tank, because if you change the direction of motor, then you can same pump can be used for loading and unloading. It can run in both direction. Okay, so this is the benefits of gear pump, and this is all about the today's video. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please press the like button, subscribe the channel and share this video. And if you have any query, then please comment in the comment box. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.